Good evening, everyone. I'm Sangeetha B from the SNS College of Engineering, working in the Department of CSE IoT. Today, we are going to see about modern database management system. Database is used to store the data in a particular order and retrieve it easily. And we use SQL, Mango DBMS, etc. languages for this purpose. In this semester, in this unit, we are going to see what is introduction to the database management system and about relational database. Simply their interactions with the system. The system may provide many views for the same database, shows the relationship among the three levels of abstraction, an analog of it, analogy to the concept of data types in the programming languages may clarify the distinction among the level of abstraction. Many high-level programming language supports the notation of structure type. For example, we describes the record as follow. Type instructor equal to record. ID is in the number and it should be within 5 members. Next one is the character. It can be up to 20. Department name, salary, numeric, end. This code defines a new record type called instructor with the 4 fields. Each field has a name and a type associated with it. A university organization may have several such record type including database, disk 11, department with field, department name, building and the budget, course with the field course ID, title, department name and the credit, students with the field ID, name, department and the total credit. At the physical level, an instructor at physical level, an instructor, department or a student record can be described as a block of consecutive storage location. The compiler hides this level of detail from the programmers. Simply, the database system hides many of the lowest level storage details from the database programmers. Database administrators, on the other hand, may be aware of certain details of the physical organization of the data. At the logical level, each such record is described by the type definition as in the previous code segment, and the interrelationship of these record type is defined as well. Programmer using a programming languages works at the level of abstraction. Similarly, the database administration usually works at the level of abstraction. Finally, at the view level, computer users sees a set of application program that hides the detail of data type. At the view level, several views of databases are defined and a database user sees some or all of these views. In addition of hiding the details of logical level of the database, the views also provides a security mechanism to prevent the user from accessing certain parts of database. For example, clerks in the university register office can see only the part of the database that can be information from about student. They cannot access the information about the salary of the instructor. Instance and the schema. The database change over time as the information inserted and the deleted. The collection of information stored in the database at the particular moment is called as the instance of database. The overall design of the database is called database schema. The schema are changed interferely if all. The concept of database schema and the instance can be understood by the analog to the program written in the programming language. A database schema corresponding to the various declaration along with the associated type definition in a program. Each variable has a particular value at the given instant. The value of the variable in the program at the point in time corresponding to an instance of database schema. Database system can have several schemas partitions according to the level of abstraction. The physical schema describes the database design at the physical level, where the logical schema describes the database design at the logical level. A database also has several schemas at the view level, sometimes called subschema, which describe different view of the database. Of these, the logical schema is by far the most important in terms of its effective on application programs, since programmer construct the applications by using the logical schema. The physical schema is the hidden beneath the logical schema and can usually change easily without affecting the application programs. Application programs are said to exhibit physical data independence if they do not depend on physical schema, thus need to be written if the physical schema changes. Database model. Underlying the structure of the database in the data model, a collection of consequential tool for describing the data relationship, data schematic, and the consistency constraint. A data model provides a way to describe the design of the database at the physical, logical, and the view levels. The data model can be classified into four different categories. First one is the relational model. Second one is the entity relationship model. Third one is the object or object based data model. Fourth one is semi structured data model. These are all the four types that we can explain.